This is elevator 2 at the delivery warehouse apartments in Durham, North Carolina. Yet another Otis Gen2. This one is center opening doors. This one, 2 are center opening doors. Yet again, all the floors are completely locked on the inside, so I'm going to have to call myself back up. On the ground. Here we go. This one, I think, is the only floor where 5, not P5, is an intermediate floor. Yeah, this is one too that goes to the parking floors as well. Here, ground. Scrapey. Oh, didn't close all the way first. It's a basic Otis Gen2 elevator, and the pounding door is a little dark, a little light just lighting. This one's taller than the other ones. There's also 1 or 2 with a security camera in the cab. I'm not sure why only 2 of them have security cameras in the cab. Here, back up to 5. Again, certificate installed in 2017. There, close, and that's going to be it.